Good morning viewers, myself Merina Hansepi brings you today's news updates. The first executive meeting of East Karbi Anglong District BJP Kisan Morcha was held at Arboretum Arts and Crafts Center at Diphu on Tuesday. Several top leaders of the party attended the meeting.
East Karbi Anglong BJP Kisan Morcha President Mongol Singh Hanse, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM Amar Singh Tiso, MAC Darsing Ronghang, BJP ASDC President Hon Singh Teron, former MLA Vidya Singh Inglang and several party members attended the first executive meeting of the ASDC BJP Kisan Morcha at the conference hall of Arboretum Art and Crafts Center at Diphu on Tuesday. The party leaders and other speakers spoke about the huge contributions of farmers in the growth and development of any country in the world. They also spoke of how farmers are treated with respect in other countries and how they are paid fairly for their products, and have asked attendees and party workers to treat farmers with the same respect and also work for their upliftment. Deborah Kathar from Diphu for 365 News, India.
The first executive meeting Laso meeting Nelitum Kibipon abangke executive ini ke executive meeting pula hai. Wai fakta me ladak Nelitum dak alui ta chofalo agriculture IM do Raju Tiso ke hai lapen Amar Singh Tiso agriculture IM asi alang litum pen mane pini laso executive meeting ahut Nelitum kaprek East Karbi Anglong angkang arlo kedu mondol president secretary tuman anda hang lo lapen mondol tin pen alenge sar lason manda hang pon lo lapen la khiti claim ve to latu manda hang pon lo latu manda chu pon lo lasi pini alang litum pen executive meeting pulo we phak pame la song bong pame ni tum la farmers tum pen mondol president tum pen Penangan agriculture aputak cingwai ponlo nonhet jong Narendra Modi ake hai alangli agriculture act aputak implement lo ini kalau seorang ke bill boleh bill pemasaran mangke pass atau mangke act lo amal soa act agriculture act poteng pulo te non itu farmer atau aprang son hormu ini pina lang tum katiki produk hormu mokhata mi jojori ta mane ador ke kom pugalilo non mangke national ba international market long anda jojor non lo aprang ke non ilitum suppose that ilitum rural area lumajong angkang kami khetiok dupik farmers dupik kami alang ilitum akhiti chuklem po ha kachu jor bangke alibang jitek dam tulong le dati amasi non bangke laso agriculture act pen amat hedi mane benang anla farmer tumar kaching thur pon asai si eklem pon asi ladak bangke farmer tumta non ke aning hangaling are pen jorlong non jeneba itum ladak Guwahati long alu ilin poket ulote non nani ha Delhi long ke pharu sita hai mat aning hang de latum Guwahati long jorje de ha Delhi le jordam rong chok
ini ke district BJP Kisan Morcha first executive committee meeting lo lasi Karbi Anglong abangke jasemet peda bangke 90% ke farmer atum chutiki chotolak arat atum saide lapenge ilitum ke ladak non Karbi Anglong puno Assam puno India puno chutiki arat lo pulo tete aman apeng RDPOA devo officer non America lapen Australia longyong selangdang lo farmer pulo ne sob the purul puti saide lo lapen India long sitame Punjab long lo pulo te farmer pulode latona Mercedes humpi umpodo lasi Karbi Anglong ta 90% abangke kheti ke claim atum saite lasi 90% apanta sob crore puti gali busa lakh puti ke pamandia phan lasi ladak Bharatiya Janata Party Kisan Morcha tum adaito thepik latum han mu nilithan no je ladak agriculture regional research station tado scientist atum pen lapen ke कृषि विज्ञान केंद्र tado lapen agriculture department atum pen kaike ma jugajuk dover lo pulan de itum la khetiok 90% of anutin phanta lakh koti ke paman indi phan apor nang o e pusi nili bisas thip lapen ke unji pusi lasi mota nili mailong na than kang lo je mondol level lapen boot level atum kaike mata la mon district level tum Birta and Welpen Nelitum agriculture department lapen ke regional research station la hai tum kai ta juga juk develop na tum ching to ponji pusi nili research la.
The annual conference of the Bukolia District Committee of the Autonomous State Demand Committee ASDC was held at Harmon Club in Phuloni on Tuesday. Several party leaders and workers attended the conference.
Before the start of the conference, the party leaders and workers, led by its Finance Secretary Sanjoy Kiling, paid tribute to late Samson Singh Ingti, the father of Karbi Anglong. Several party leaders, including President Chandrakanta Terang, General Secretary Jodson Bay, former Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM Sona Singh Terang, and others who attended the conference, reiterated the party's demand for an autonomous state, which the party has been demanding since 1986. The party leaders slammed the National Party's Congress and BJP, who were in power in Karbi Anglong after the ASDC regime, for their failures to implement Article 244A in spite of it being clearly mentioned in the Indian Constitution. The ASDC leaders appealed to the public to vote for the party in the coming Assam Assembly elections, assuring them to work with full dedication and sincerity for implementations of Article 244A if made victorious. Members of 30 households belonging to different parties joined ASDC during the conference. Indrajit Rongpur from Langhin for 365 News, India.
Tuolong Desember atiklu tarik Kepen tarik kresi adak bangke Karbi Anglong a district di Mahasau district lapen West Karbi Anglong district ketama district pangrupen Nelitum adak bangke maybe putot Nelitum central isi a conference pedu ponji so kichisik ang benga sonsi non Nelitum bangke dang bomlo sonsi
detpi labangso mai long joining bangko antum se joining lo lapen ko PP party ben se Nelitum party long chipa ogun lo
Kasemet pini hitame Kongres men BJP menang andolo pen along hitame lasom tong dun pen bom non mang lasom itu mangke par media pin hitam itu tegong bom bom lo daga mangan itu ke ther ke ha pini la pusana ve ki chini pen reng nang kokji athi non Karbi Anglong bangke tegamong lo plong no Kongres la pen BJP kachari esek rural economy Karbi atum rural economy totally devastated wrong tangkan le economy totally ave pin lo pini Karbi Anglong ke do tum dolo Diphu hitame ke dun ia tubuh hitame reng nang kokji prano bangke Assam hawar pen ha Bihar puno ha South Indian puno ke dam la puson kere je pandam nang kok puson dulu ta banga ke pen ke non corona virus pen banga ke tum ke dak bang lo ke cirui puno yar jonong ne ta ili tu mangke ke chong dat dam menang andam lo dam pen kurang ke chula so banga history mane ili tum te teglo lalo ili tum this is a reflection ke nan negative reflection bangke dak je itu bangke rural economy bangka pin nasi Semer mang ASDC hin bangke autonomous tera movement ke dolo la so pen hitame rara tuma chukka mamu hitame posonsi ili tumong ke bang dia por hitame ni litum pe campo naima rapen Karbi Anglong along che dopen Karbi atum posonsi litum reng thegi mala bang so pansi ni litum ke angpon litum matha pong lo la pen ko litum agenda long ta dolo la pen ko posonsi ni litum klem pong
A 3-day knockout football tournament in memory of late Raju Ingling began at Nangli Ingling Village Playground in Amreng on Tuesday.
Tharvehidi FC defeated Mokim FC 3-1 in the opening match of the knockout tournament. Prasan Singha, inspector of CRPF Amreng Camp, attended the match as a chief guest. Brimal Ingling, Babu Ingling, and Rupsing Ingti from KSA Hamran Regional Committee and several others also attended the match today. Joyram Kathar from Phuloni for 365 News, India.
Alangli imini player satu fan pustame hirjume mate cheklo pini bangso pumbanglang patu kilang cari donji mate referee kido donji abang pu tuma men lapalo main referee ya sarkari teron lines referee ke hai Amber Singh Bay, lines referee ke hai.
Edu viewers, thank you for watching 365 News India. Have a bright day ahead.